Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you, my dear students? You are fine and good. I'm also good and fine. Could you see your book? This is your book. Alright? This is your English book. This is your English book. Today we'll do page number 44. Before starting the work, what we have to do? Yes, we have to set our page. So, there's date. Do you know the date of today? Today the date is 2nd September 2020. Write down. Have you done this? Now the day. WEDNESDAY. 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 What is the day today? Wednesday. Okay. The statement is given there. Write Sunday and learn the spelling. It means you have to write Sunday here on the whole page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times you have to write Sunday, and also you have to learn the spelling of Sunday. Do you know the necessary thing? What you have to remember? You have to remember that thing, that you will follow the same writing pattern. Alright, आप लोगों को ये बात ध्यान में रखनी है कि आपने बिल्कुल सेम राइटिंग पैटर्न फॉलो करना है. Alright, सेम इज इट. एक सिंगल भी जो मूवमेंट है ना, वो इससे डिफरेंट नहीं करनी है. सेम राइटिंग पैटर्न आपने फॉलो करना है. Then after doing the work, color the sun yellow, trees green, path gray, and these are the bushes green. Alright, so now we have to write Sunday. S is capital on 3 line. Okay, after this S U. Okay, close to this you have to write U like that, and a little flick, same like that. Okay, S U, then N. Alright, this is N and D. Alright, like that you have to write down the D. A Y. Keep watching the hand movement of your teacher. Okay, carefully watch my hand movement. Same like me, you have to write Sunday. Like here the students do mistake while writing D. आप लोग D ऐसे लिखते हैं. It's totally wrong pattern. Okay, it's totally wrong pattern. You have to start D from there, from semicircle, like Kha, then go up and come back on the same line, and now do the flick. This is the da. Alright, now like that Sunday you have to write here, 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 and here Sunday, and follow the same writing pattern. Alright, now we'll revise the day's name, and you have also colored this one. Will you do? I know you will do the superb work. Okay, now just prepare yourself for the revision. Okay, this is the revision time. Day's name. Alright, day's name. Monday, MON, man. DAY, day. Monday. What's come after one day? Tuesday. TUES, Tues, DAY, day. Tuesday. Wednesday, WEDNESDAY, day. Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Come after Wednesday, Thursday. T H U R S, Thurs. D A Y, day, Thursday. What's come after Thursday? Friday. F R I, Fry. D A Y, day, Friday. What's come after Friday? Saturday. S A T U R, Saturday. D A Y, day, Saturday. What's come after Saturday? S U N, Sun. D A Y, day, Sunday. This is the revision of day's name. Okay, so write all the day's name on your rough copy.